Ever wondered how female arousal works in the human body? Just as an orchestra fine-tunes each instrument for a harmonious performance, our bodies too have their unique symphony, particularly when it comes to sexual health. Understanding female arousal not only enhances sexual experiences but also promotes overall health. It's an intricate dance, a delicate balance of physiological responses. So, are you ready to discover the fascinating science behind it? Now hold on to your hats as we delve deep into the science behind female arousal. First and foremost, let's get acquainted with the anatomy. The female genitalia, both external and internal, play crucial roles in sexual arousal. The external part, the vulva, houses the clitoris, a highly sensitive organ packed with nerve endings. It's often considered the main organ of sexual pleasure in women. Internally, we find the vagina, a muscular canal that extends from the cervix, which is the lower part of the uterus, to the external part of the female genitalia. Within the vagina, there's an area known as the G-spot, also associated with arousal and pleasure. So each part has its unique role. The clitoris responds to stimulation, sending signals of pleasure to the brain. The vagina, on the other hand, prepares for sexual intercourse by becoming lubricated. The G-spot can also contribute to pleasure when stimulated, so these parts play a significant role in the arousal process. But how does the process actually work? The arousal process in women is a fascinating interplay of physical and psychological factors. Let's delve into the details. It all starts in the brain, the powerhouse of arousal. The brain responds to sexual stimuli by releasing a cocktail of chemicals, including dopamine, known as the pleasure hormone, and oxytocin, often referred to as the love hormone. These chemicals trigger feelings of desire and pleasure, setting the stage for the physical responses to follow. Next, the body responds. The heart rate increases, pumping blood faster throughout the body. This increased blood flow is especially directed towards the genital area, causing the clitoris and the surrounding tissues to swell, much like an erection in men. This is often accompanied by the body producing natural lubrication, preparing for possible sexual activity. Meanwhile, the nervous system is also playing its part. The autonomic nervous system, responsible for those actions we don't consciously control, like our heart beating or our breath, orchestrates these responses. The hormones estrogen and progesterone also play crucial roles in regulating arousal and sexual response. But remember, this process is not the same for everyone. It can vary greatly from person to person, and even from one situation to another. Some may experience these responses very quickly, while for others, it may take more time. And there you have it, the intricate and fascinating process of female arousal. Remember, everyone is unique, and understanding your own body is the key to a satisfying sexual life. In conclusion, female arousal isn't a one-size-fits-all process. We've journeyed through the intricate anatomy involved, delving into the intricate process of arousal. It's important to remember that every body is unique, with different responses and sensations. The key is to learn more about your own body and not hesitate to speak with healthcare providers if you have any concerns or questions. Knowledge, after all, is power. The more you understand, the more you can enjoy. So, here's to empowering yourself with knowledge.